Hi friends, good morning. This is Abhishek from TechVirus, and in this video I'm going to unbox and review the new router UPS from Resonet. This router UPS will give you 4 hours of power backup for your Wi-Fi routers. Not only the Wi-Fi routers but the CCTV camera, for your intercom, even for the setup box. So this is all-in-one device which can help you working from home during this COVID lockdown. Alright, so without any further ado, let me quickly unbox this device and show you like what all things come inside. So as soon as you open the box, the first thing is the Resonet UPS. Let me keep this aside, and then we have these user manuals, warranty cards and other stuff inside. Let me remove this cover as well, and we have 3 cables here. First one is the in, like it is the power in to charge the UPS, and then we have 2 power out cables which will help you to connect to the Wi-Fi modem. On the left hand side you can see we have a simple switch on and off button, and there is a small LED on top, and at the back we have more details about this router UPS. And on the right hand side, if you see, we have 2 sockets which is for power in and power out. So that's all we have. Now let me quickly connect this with the Wi-Fi modem and show you how does it work. Alright, so as told before, like we have power out and power in socket, so we have to connect this cable to power out, and this will go to the Wi-Fi router, and then we have the other one. This will help the Resonet UPS to charge. So what I'll do, I will just show how you connect these cables to the Wi-Fi router. So let me get my D-Link Wi-Fi router. So different routers have different sockets. So you have 2 different sockets already given with this Resonet UPS. So here you can see that the charging adapter of the Wi-Fi router connects to this UPS input. So this same adapter will charge the Resonet UPS as well. Now let me remove that and directly connect the output of the Resonet to the Wi-Fi router. And that's very simple. You have to connect based on what kind of connection it works. So the first cable was not connecting to this D-Link device, so I changed the cable and I again put it in the output and then switched it on. So as soon as I switch on the Resonet UPS, you can see that Wi-Fi router is turned on. And yes, without getting any connection from outside, it is just working with the UPS. Also to tell you that I have tested this UPS and it gives me approximately 4 to 5 hours of backup without any interruption, without any disconnection. And it takes approximately 2 to 3 hours of time to charge. And the best way to use it, like keep this on charging and connect your Wi-Fi router or Wi-Fi modem and then leave it as it is. So it will keep on charging and it will keep on giving the backup to your Wi-Fi router. Also please note that when you are going on a long vacation, or if you are not using this router for a long time, please turn it off and directly connect the Wi-Fi router. Alright, to summarize this, let me tell you that Resonet router UPS is one of the best router UPS which you can use. This product is made in India and cost approximately 2,400 rupees on Amazon or Flipkart. You can order it from there. I have given the link below. You can use that link and then purchase this device. So overall, the build quality is good, the backup is good, as well as the size or the form factor is also small. Alright, so this was my complete review for Resonet Wi-Fi router UPS. I hope you liked it. If you like, please subscribe to my channel and give a thumbs up to this video. I would be coming up with more videos soon, so stay tuned. Have a nice day. Bye bye.